Next to you here. Thank you very much for all the subscribers, 500 subscribers. Quick video to say thank you. So back in the Stockport air raid shelters. Just a quick video to say thanks to all the subscribers. And going to do 2 of these today. Thanks out. Okay, we're back in again. Just want to thank everybody for subscribing to YouTube. 500 followers, subscriptions. We're back in here for a better video. Yeah. We've forgotten and forbidden today. Forgotten places. It's about 14 degrees in here, it's brilliant, and it's like minus 2 outside. Let's get the other light. Ryan, do you want to carry this light for us? You don't have to have it on, I'm just going to use my other light. Huh? Cheers, mate. That should be better now.
This is crazy, isn't it?
Where have they gone?
Oh, they just disappeared.
They're just here. Oh. Wait, there's no balls. It's the coffers.
It's mad how the beds are just rusted away.
All crumbling.
The difference between the steel and that, between the...
There's 2 toilets over there.
There's a full toilet there, look, on the floor. Oh.
Very, very old.
Look. Look inside it. It's still peeing too.
They tried their best, didn't they, back then?
Yeah.
Give you everything you needed in a bad situation.
Well, until they got a fire out of
I think this one sort of goes back to where we were before. I think there's some bits we haven't done.
This bit, yeah.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, wow. Do you reckon the bed will take it away?
Yeah.
What's that? Oh yeah, we have been this way because we saw that. I don't remember seeing
You can get a picture of me in one.
Yeah?
Oh, put my beer down.
Right up in here.
I'll pass your phone.
No.
Just pause you guys 1 sec.
No.
Okay, we're back to a 10-minute video. Again, we'll try and get it a little bit slower for you guys, because I know the last one was rushed. Again, I'll thank you for all 500 subscribers, it's overwhelming. More to come, hopefully. Let's hit that 1,000 before this time next year. Everything looks the same, it's not worth filming the whole thing. Oh, it's just brilliant to see. Aye. It's like a maze, isn't it? Wait, so we go down that one and back up, or we found the stairs yet?
No.
It's over here.
We've been down that one. We haven't been down that side.
The beds are mad. The beds are wicked.
Yeah, these are good. All these all rusted up.
Dad.
Yeah. I'm going down this way. There's an old McDonald's wrapper down here. I haven't been down this one. Look at this. Wow, the old Big Mac.
What's down here?
An old Big Mac.
Big Mac burger.
Big Mac burger. We haven't been down this one.
Yeah. I'll have to come eat you. Hey!
Take it to him, yeah.
KFC. KFK. Free packaging. Hey guys, I found some food. Want some food?
Yeah, that's from back then.
Yeah, they're right here. You can come in. Yeah, look.
Have you worked out whereabouts it comes back out?
Yeah. I'll show you.
Oh, is that what you were saying about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the stairs here.
Oh, wicked. slowing down, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll show you this entrance for me. There we go. Oh
I'll put signal here. Yeah, look, 3G.
Oh, that's the long passageway. Where's the way where it goes down? Right, oh no, it's a dead end. Must be that way. It goes like downhill. It's bizarre. Yeah, this is it.
Just like it came, I just did quick like
Oh, we've been this way. Oh, looks the same.
Basically done it all now.
I can't see. No, we haven't. We've missed out something.
That's to go outside, I think.
Look there.
Have you found the toilets yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been in the toilet.
That's why you shouldn't rush around there.
What are you on about? I've seen it all. I'm thinking master course shit.
That's rushing around now.
Not rushing around. Just trying to get plenty of sports in the day if possible.
No stuff again.
It's the toilets.
Go.
I know my rank. I'm all good.
Bye. I'll leave you down here.
You can try.
Yeah.
I think I'll find my way out before you do.
Yeah, you probably will.
You'll pop out then. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, no.
Yeah, you found a scooter.
Yeah. Oh.